In this video, we will review how to use the Market Depth widget. To get started, open the Market Depth widget in any tab. Either create a new tab or use an existing one. Then, from the widget list, select Market Depth to add it to the tab. Use the symbol input to select the desired stock. Evaluate the bid and ask prices to understand the market's depth. Change information. Shows the stock's price change compared to the previous session. Change information includes the absolute change in price, the percentage change in price. Bid section displays the current buy orders for the stock. Columns include bid, the highest price buyers are willing to pay. Size, the number of shares available at each bid price. Ask section displays the current sell orders for the stock. Columns include ask, the lowest price sellers are willing to accept. Size, the number of shares available at each ask price. Thanks for watching. See you next time.